Hello friends, get ready for journal dictation. Okay, start. I might also point out incidentally in this connection that the Government of India had requested and the Allahabad University has agreed to have tuition classes for intending candidates for these examinations. To a certain extent, their number has been rising. It is hoped that some of the other universities also in the south in particular will come to the aid of the Government of India and start such tuition classes because we are anxious that their number consistent with the maintenance of proper standards of efficiency ought to increase to the extent that it is possible. That also may be noted in this connection para. The report has also pointed out how the number of candidates has been increasing in great proportions. They have also stated that the highest number in this respect of candidates appearing for the examination is at Delhi proper, where about 90,000 candidates they say have to appear for the examinations at different centers. That is the reason why they have made a proposal that the government should provide for proper or suitable or adequate halls for this purpose. All the examinations are not held at the same time, and government will consider this question in as much as the UPSC has recommended this problem. I am merely pointing out how the problem is a great problem and it has to be dealt with as satisfactorily as possible para. In the course of their report, they have made other complaints, not the complaints about the non-acceptance of their advice, but they have incidentally made some complaints on certain other grounds. This will naturally be considered very carefully. I may point out to this house that we are always anxious to make all possible attempts for the purpose of removing all complaints because on that depends the efficiency of our services. The manner in which and the extent to which there is absolutely smooth working and relations between the UPSC on the one hand and the Government of India on the other. To that extent, efficiency is bound to increase in the services. Therefore, these complaints that have been made by the UPSC in their latest report will always be examined, and I am quite confident that the House will agree that these complaints will receive due consideration. The complaints are, as I have stated, under various heads para. For example, they state that in some cases the appointments are delayed. It is true that in some cases the appointments could not be made immediately. The reason is that after making reference to the UPSC, circumstances change stop